guys, it's Aavish the YouTuber. I'm sorry there's no camera, but we're playing Subway Surfers. That's the music, alright guys? So, it's a coin collecting game. This is part 1 of Subway Surfers. You see I'm tag bar now, and plus me. That's so much money for Festive Jake. I'm just going to beat the ninja. Let's go. We have to watch an ad. Guys, I'm waiting. This is a weird ad. I actually do like this ad. This ad is almost done. I'm waiting. It's open. That is it gone. So let's play. Guess what? Where's 2 times 2? I died. 2 times 2 is 4. Easy. Try use my key. I can't. Okay. Woohoo! Magnet. I died. Now my score is 6,766. Cool. Guess what? That 2 times star doesn't do anything. So I didn't get it. Woohoo! So I have 7 snowflakes. I need 10. I died! Good. So I'm going to go home. Me. I'm going to be Jake. The black Jake. Hello, to save the ninja. Guess what, guys? Last time when I was not making a YouTube video, it took forever to get the ninja. And I got it. I died! Ooh, skateboard. Another ad. This is a quick ad. 30 off snow. What? Learn more? No, I don't want you to learn more. Almost done? Done the X. Guys, I'm still here. I still have my skateboard. Woohoo! 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 have 9 snowflakes. Woohoo! I almost got the mystery box! Seriously! What you using it for? I died. Why is Santa after me? I guess today I'm going to spend our time playing this game. Did you know my channel is called Aavish the YouTuber? Yes, 10 snowflakes together. Yes, I'm just seriously jumping over trains. Oh, I died! So let's claim reward. Open the 6th one. Mystery box. Coins, just coins. No, let's go. Boom. Boom. And jumps. Right, left. Left. Right. Right, jump. I mean left jump. Get it. Guys, I am really sorry. It's not even. It is on my tablet. You know. I'm sorry. Ooh, mystery box. Let's see what's in there after. Almost died. Two things at the same time. How was I supposed to die? Should I was going Jake? Why did I go from there? Save me. 1 key. Watch ad. Ooh, my mystery box. Another hat. Tricky's hat. I have 26 of Tricky's hat. So today, I think we're going to spend the video by having tag box. Tag bot, here we go. There's 2 times 100. It is 200. I'm the boss at that bit. Guys. Boom. Boom. I died! Do you know I'm in my new house? Guys, I'm going to pause this video. But guys, that's it for this video. Hit that bell button, like, subscribe, and bye bye. Peace out. Let's subscribe my other video.